Hello, my name is CJ, and today's tutorial is a quick one on how to leave groups. So this isn't shared mailboxes, like for example CS orders. This would be a group such as CS crew. So it's really simple. This is good for when people go on vacation. It allows them to stop receiving emails in their inbox, and it's really simple to do and undo when you return. So all you do is open your Outlook, as you see I'm in right now, and you be under your account, not the shared inbox or anything like that, like such as CS orders or AR. Make sure you're under your account. Scroll down past all your folders, and it may be in one of your folders, but most likely is at the very bottom, and you will see one called groups. Mine's currently expanded, but if you click that, that'll drop it down to all the groups you're in. As you see, I'm in a lot, but for this example, CS Crew is going to be the group that I'm going to stop receiving notifications from. So you just click on CS Crew, and it actually pulls up all the emails involving CS Crew, but that's not what we're here to talk about. So to leave, all you do is go to your top navigation tab. Just make sure on your home tab and look for group settings under CS Crew, or whatever group it may be. In this case, it is CS Crew. And click on group settings. And right here in the bottom, following an inbox, you'll see a list of options. So click on no emails or events if you wish to receive any group emails or events in your inbox. Now, you can also have other options, for example, so you'll only receive a copy of replies to you in your inbox if you choose only replies to you. So you have different options to get out of it. I know that people do like not get a bunch of group emails on their vacation, so no email or events is most likely the safest bet. Although if you do usually get important stuff, I do highly recommend only replies to you or only replies to you in events. So you just click on that. Okay, now at this time you would no longer be getting any emails from CS Crew. So let's say you get back from vacation. Now, how do you resolve that? Well, simple. All you do is go back into group settings and flip it from no email or events to all email and events. And that is how you leave and join group notifications.